Good morning, friends. Well, this is what the back of your pickup truck looks like when your country runs out of fuel. So we've been out now for 3 to 4 weeks. Different kinds of fuels have been running out. National protests, the highways are shut down, and nothing's been moving. Now we're down to the last tank of gas, that's diesel, in the pickup, and I'm using it to go try to find anything, anywhere, to keep the farm, keep families running. Some of these tanks here are our employee families and other families right around the farm that work part-time. Everyone needs to cook. That's what these tanks of gas do. Everyone needs to run, we've got to run generators. We've got to run the diesel truck down the road, bring stuff in, get it out. Well, think about this. I guarantee you that 99% of anyone watching this video, you're not prepared for a 30 to 90 day lockdown with no fuel. Think about it. Well, we had extra fuel and we finally come to the end. We're done. And now we're looking desperately for whatever we can find. So remember that in your plans. This Panama deal was a litmus test for us, and it told us you don't have enough fuel. Get more fuel. And so that's exactly what our plans are for the future. I hope that you make plans accordingly as well, in case some kind of disruption happens in your zone. Well, God bless. Thanks for your love and your prayers. We do appreciate it. This is the wild west of Latin America. You never know what's going to happen. And, well, this month, it's no fuel. God bless.